Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepared this easy vanilla cake. Very easy. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos. Subscription is free just for you to get a lot of my new video. Let's start. 375 grams of flour, 9 eggs, 375 grams of margarine, 250 grams of sugar, 1 tin of milk I'll be using. I'm using 3 grams. These fruits for garnishing the top, a tablespoon of vanilla flavor, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and that is all. Cream your margarine a little and you add your sugar. Break all the eggs and you whisk them. Add a tablespoon of vanilla flavor to it. Add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and you take your time to sieve your flour very well. At this junction, you need to start preheating your oven. My butter and sugar mixture is looking pearl already, so add a little dry ingredients, a little wet ingredients to incorporate everything. Add your tin of milk. This tin of milk is 140 ml. Take your time to mix everything very well. I've already greased my pan with butter and I've dusted it with flour. That's my pan. So right away I will start pouring in my batter. After pouring in your butter, you tap it on your table to close up all air bubbles. Take your time to tap on the table to close up air bubbles. You bake from now till 30 minutes before you start checking. Don't forget to add the fruit to garnish the top of your cake. After 40 minutes, my cake is ready, looking so beautiful. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again.